video, we're going to look at some amazing tools that will turn anybody into a summertime DIY superhero. The first tool we're going to look at today is from Stellan, and it's called Doer, and it is basically an entire workshed compacted into a unique portable system. It has 12 functions compacted into one ingenious box. But instead of me explaining to you what everything does, I'm going to switch over to the manufacturer's hilarious ad.
This is a tool, and this is its shed. This tool shed holds everything you need to make anything. It's got a drill, a jigsaw, a circular saw, a work light, a hot wire foam cutter, a table saw, a scroll saw, a table foam cutter, a table sander, and a mini lathe. This is Doer. It also has all of those things. You're saying to yourself, what? You're thinking this is BS. Well, the only BS here is this brilliant stuff. Doer is a toolbox that's basically a tool shed in a box. It has all these tools, yet it easily fits on a shelf. You ever try fitting a tool shed on a shelf? It ain't easy. Doer is 7 years in the making. Every detail was examined and no corners were cut in order to make the best tools, while keeping the entire system as compact as possible. Everything in Doer starts with the Unigrip. That's the one handle for all the tools. You attach the drill and you have an excellent drill with a hammer function. Take off the drill, put on the jigsaw, and you have a jigsaw with orbital cutting action. Then there's the circular saw, strong enough to cut anything. So how does Doer become all that? Well, is your mind a trumpet? Because I'm about to blow it. Look, in a second, Doer turns into a work table. You just mount the tools under the stainless steel armored lid, then you form the table functions, and voila! The Doer table has everything a tool table needs. It's made of stainless steel and a nylon fiberglass tabletop. Has a protractor for perfect angles. Doer's tools are the only tools that can be powered by either a battery or an outlet using Doer's AC-DC converter. So it works even if there's no electricity around. Yep, with Doer you can create, fix, and build anything, no matter where you live. It's portable, so you can also take it with you wherever you go. Can you move a tool shed around like that? No, you can't. Doer has so many extra bits, and all the tools neatly fold into this folder bag. It's so easy, he even lets his son help. That's basically a whole tool shed in a small, portable box. Get Doer. What's that, neighbor? You need help fixing something? No problem. Yeah. Hey, Frank, can you help my neighbor out? There you go. He's such a great guy.
The next tool we are going to look at is the perfect accessory for the Doer we've just looked at. And this is the Trend Adjustable Benchtop Miter Saw Roller Stand. It allows for free running action for easy movement of materials. It keeps both hands free to control the machinery safely. It's got a maximum load capacity of 62 kilograms, a maximum height of 160 millimeter, and a minimum height of 50 millimeter. It prevents the work from binding or tipping as the cut is made, and it allows longer stock to be easily handled by one person. Ideal for in-feed and out-feed support and cross-cut applications, or as take-off support for ripping and planing work. It will increase efficiency and productivity, and it's ideal for miter saws. And this is the Trend Adjustable Benchtop Miter Saw Roller Stand. for many years we've been measuring and cutting stock goods in the same way. And now's the time for our upgrade. Let me introduce you to the M1 caliper. The M1 caliper is a professional dynamic augmented tool enabling professionals from all trades to make more accurate and more consistent cuts. The M1 caliper clamps to a wide variety of saws, and it's got a locking arm to stay out of the way when not in use. The arm automatically adjusts, enabling the M1 caliper to adjust to a wide variety of materials. The unit is easily adjustable to any of your preferences and needs. You can even choose between which measuring unit you need. Getting started with the M1 caliper is really simple. It simply clamps to your saw, release the arm and switch on. Our next tool is the Woodpecker Auto Angle Drill Guide. Most angle drill guides let you pivot on an axis that's above your material. This makes the entry point move as you adjust the angle. Auto Angle doesn't have a traditional axis. The Auto Angle Drill Guide has got a virtual axis that's right above the material you need to drill. This keeps the entry point constant, regardless of the angle you're drilling. This tool is convenient to work on flat and angled surfaces. To get the accurate drill position, you don't have to rely on crosshairs alone. The fence for the auto angle fits on all four sides. With these fence guides, it provides the ultimate support, whatever job is at hand. With the included button stocks fixed at the bottom, it's easy to find the center of any edge. With this tool you can speed up your production and increase your accuracy. Woodpecker Auto Angle Drill Guide. This is the smallest tool we have on our list today, but it could very well be also the most useful tool we have. It is the perfect helper for effective and easy sanding. This sander tackles corners and hard to reach places with ease. As you expect, the sandpaper easily attached with Velcro. Thanks to the detachable handle, it's very easy and convenient to work with, making this most likely one of the smallest and most useful tools in your workshop. It doesn't matter how many tools you have in your arsenal, there's always going to be a job where you're going to have to get on your knees, sometimes frequently throughout the day. That's why you're going to need these next products. These knee pads have been designed to be and filled with a special gel. It's the Klein hinged gel knee pads, and it reduces the load on the joints. It's got a lightweight, multi-layer pressure absorbing padding system with a breathable mesh and neoprene lining keeping you cool. The surface of these knee pads are coated with synthetic rubber to prevent them from slipping. It has adjustable straps for fastening and a quick release clip for easy on and off. This tool we have here is the Demo Deck by GreenTech Tools. It pulls up decking simply and safely in a fraction of the time, while cutting cost and boosting productivity. It works on many types of decking and fasteners. got a high-strength engineering handle, heat-treated alloy steel lifter, integrated nail puller, and weighs only 9 pounds. DemoDeck's tool handle not only makes sure every demo deck can stand up to the strength far beyond what any person could apply, but many times more than even the best fasteners can withstand. They've used heat-treated ultra-tough alloy for the lifter to match the strength of the engineered handle. More often than not, the demo deck can remove 16 feet boards in one pull. After plank removal, the integrated nail puller allows you to easily remove stuck nails that have been left behind. No need to purchase separate nail remover tools. Plus, pick up all planks with this tool, no need to bend over. Since you've just demolished your deck with a Green Tech demo deck, you're going to start looking at tools to build your next deck. And the next few tools we're going to look at is exactly what you're going to need to make your deck installation quick and easy. The first tool we're going to look at in this series is the Deck Pro by NKT Fasteners. And it's so small it can be handled with just one hand. With the Deck Pro mounting tool from NKT Fasteners, you only need one decking tool, regardless of the board width. Easily adjust the distance between the boards from 3 to 7.5 mm with the supplied spacers, and extra bits are included. It's got a unique adjustment function. It's the only tool on the market that can be adapted to all common decking boards, 85mm to 150mm. That's robust and stable. It has a strong construction which stands stable against the boards, carefully tested to be able to withstand at least 100 kg of direct load. It's easy to work with. The screw bites quickly and the included bits automatically stopped at the correct depth. Built-in spacers help you determine the correct distance between the boards for an even result. The next tool we're looking at is just as handy for building new decks. It's called the Speed Deck Pro. With the Speed Deck Pro, your decking will also go much quicker. It will allow you to get your spacing between all your decking planks equally and even throughout your build. Final tool we're going to look at today is the perfect tool to finish off that beautiful deck you've just built. This tool is called the Works Nitro 20 volt paint sprayer. This sprayer has won the Plus X award for the best product in 2019. So this handy sprayer is definitely worth a look. This sprayer is a cordless model with a 34-ounce container. 4 nozzles is included with the sprayer, so it's ideal to also use primer and wood stain. The various speed control provides decent result even for beginners. What's more, the rechargeable battery is compatible with other products. The tool is also optimized for easy cleaning. This 20 volt wax sprayer is ideal to finish off that beautiful deck and turn you into the summertime DIY superhero. That's it for this video of InnoVisionX. We hope that you found some useful tips to turn you into the superhero that you need to be this summer. If you watch this far, thank you very much, and we would really appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. It would really help us a lot and help us to bring you more amazing tools.